Alright, first of all, you need to find the channels. Okay, you found it? Very good. Now, hold Control or Command and select the RGB preview window. Select Create New Channel at the bottom. This will be highlighted in red, I think. Once you have done that, you have your first selection of the highlights. Well done. Actually, don't ask any questions, I'm getting there. You hit Command or Control I to invert the selection, and this will solve your problem. Congratulations, you have created your first luminosity mask. Now, to refine the image. Firstly, Command click the first selection you have created, which you should have renamed by now, Highlights 1, or something along those lines, I don't know. You name it however you want. Keep Ryan happy. Now comes the hard bit. Hold down Command, Option, Shift on the preview window. Again, you will now witness witchcraft and wizardry as your selection shrinks. You then proceed to create a new channel with that selection. And don't forget to invert the selection. You can then repeat this as many times as you want to get as many masks as you want. Okay, now we go for the shadows. What we have to do is Control or Command click the RGB channel to get the selection. Now hold Control Shift I or Command Shift I to invert the selection. Create a new channel. Very good. And to create more layers, you do exactly the same as you did for the highlights. But make sure to invert your selection or you will create another highlights layer, which is stupid. Don't be stupid. Okay, and now, due to the power of editing, I now have 8 channels. Do not ask questions. It's magic. I will now select the darkest of the shadows. And I will go back to my layers and select the curves adjustment layer. Very good. This will only affect the darkest of shadows that are selected. As you can see, it's only affecting the side of the horse and the darkest part of the rope. Very good. We shall now go back to the channels and select the highlights. Create a curves layer and play with it to make sure it doesn't look shit. Because, let's be honest, it looks shit. We now go back to the channel and select the highlights. Never mind, we select the shadows, the darkest of shadows. We're now going to apply a hue and saturation adjustment layer. And we're going to make him a little bit more brown, because this horse is not brown. See, we now have a brown horse. Very good.